This all-in-one kindergarten report card and assessment kit includes everything you need to assess students, collect data, and communicate with parents about their child's progress. All the standards assessed in each quarter are aligned with the Common Core Math and English Language Arts standards. Although state standards may vary slightly, this kit can still be used if you follow your state standards. Additional support is available directly on our website, keepingmykiddoBusy.com. Simply click Kindergarten at the top of our website and scroll down to Assessment. All printables in this resource come in both color and black and white for your convenience. The assessments coordinate perfectly with the included report cards. This makes testing, documenting student data, and communicating with parents a seamless process. All the prep work is done for you. When assessing students one-on-one, I can quickly record their answers directly onto the report card. This will save you so much time. Keep track of student data throughout the entire year with our easy-to-use kindergarten forms. These are also an excellent tool to share with parents to give them a heads up on what we will be learning about each quarter. My goal was to streamline the process of assessing students and completing report cards. Read the reviews. You will not be disappointed. Does your school follow trimesters instead of quarters? I have a kit that follows the trimester system instead. It is available in my shop under the assessment section.